Yo, what's up? Before my phone is sitting on the table. What's up? What's up, guys? Hey, what's up, plug recruiter? We got the recruiter at the dental office. What's up? What's up? Before my phone is sitting on the table? What do you mean by that? What's up? I'm confused, man. I had to go turn off the fan on my room. For some reason the mic picks it up. But what's going on? How we doing today? How's everybody doing today? Man, crazy day, choppy day. Sad day, weekday. How the plug says weekday. Today's a weekday. Rolling my eyes. I need the Roblox dump for real, please. They deserve it. Gonna buy more puts tomorrow. Nervous AF. Yeah, big day tomorrow. Wait, not to yeah, for earnings tomorrow, but what happened after hours today was crazy. They halted Novax and they halted what's her name? Upstart. Yeah, shares fell 7% after hours. Damn. So what are we talking about here today? Well, we have big news. This is some of the stuff that happened. Basically, earnings, Upstart disappointed. That's really all related to the lending program and what's going on with that. So we're gonna read through some of this stuff together, but honestly, their earnings weren't that great. And that's not really based off the earnings that they made, but rather like the forecast. I think they cut their guidance or something. Well, actually, their earnings wasn't that great either. They did 1 cent for the second quarter, below 10-cent estimate. So actually, they're not that good on that either. But the big, I mean, the big thing that happened with them is they premium burned everybody because it went up. Well, it came down, went up, then went back down. It's only down 9%. I think the implied move was about 20%. So I think tomorrow there could be some downside. That's going to be on my watch list tomorrow. I'm kind of broke right now, so my positions aren't that big right now, but I'm going to give me a little piece. Got to get the exposure, I think. And yeah. But what are you guys thinking? I think it's a little early for the live stream, but let me go through some of these numbers actually. What's up with this increase of 18% for the second quarter? But what's up with that? Like the lending program. He basically pumped his own stock somewhere. He said, yo, we didn't do that good, but we're very confident with the AI lending program. So, but even though we're confident that, I think we're going to lower our guidance too. I think they lowered the guidance. Let me see. Let me make sure. Guidance, forecast. What's the keywords here? Forecast. Yeah. Lower than expected forecast for the current quarter. Okay. And then I think, yeah. When the executives gave preliminary update early July, they called 228 million in overall revenue and 28 to 31 net loss, both of which were significantly weaker than the company's prior forecast. Okay, so that's the last one. Anyway, I think tomorrow fintechs are gonna be definitely on what the under the stove or whatever, what under the on fire. They're gonna be under pressure. So what's another one that you can definitely play tomorrow if you don't want to play Upstart is going to be a firm. Let's just take a look at Upstart first real quick. Where are we trading at right now? We're like at 29, so down here. I think we come back down to like 27. Yeah, basically all the way down here to this bottom range that I have here. That's where we got the result. I mean, basically, yeah, lower 27. I mean, there's not going to be any strength going into tomorrow, basically. What are you guys thinking? And then we started using the MACD. You can see that hole is kind of flipping around now. So yeah. So the other one that I want to play though tomorrow, or maybe we'll take a look how it is this one here, Affirm. I don't think they've reported earnings. Let me double check. Yeah, they have earnings coming up. So this is gonna get bloody, my guy. I think so. I think so. See, it's already been on a tear. Let's see, how much has it been running? So from July, it's up almost. If I can get, it's almost up 100%. So this one's definitely going to be on watch tomorrow for a pullback, probably back to like at least $29, $28. I haven't charted this up yet actually, so let's see what we can pull up real quick. But yeah, insane after hours earnings. I got smoked on some lemonade puts. It actually beat, so those are done. Those are going to be in the graveyard in the morning. It's okay though, because it was just a small position. And my big play is going to be Roblox, which we'll talk about in a little bit. But yeah, I got a few stocks I want to talk about, and we can look at flow or whatever if you guys have any questions. Honestly, this was like a last minute planned live stream just to see what's on everybody's mind, what we thinking going into Wednesday. But nobody's in here right now, so we're gonna wait a little bit. But nah, I'm writing some stuff down real quick too, honestly. And I do have one other catalyst. I guess maybe I should cover that before we chill. The other thing is that Nvidia, you know, they basically gave the preliminary results, so they haven't really done their earnings yet. But this is really what brought the market down, and we can take a look at the market chart too. Obviously, my chart is not the best, but it's honest work. So I hope you guys appreciate that. But yeah, this is basically the catalyst in the morning that dropped everything down. It's just their outlook basically for this. I think I guess the rest of the year basically. Preliminary second quarter revenue of 6.7 billion versus 8 billion. That's like 30%. That's almost 30%. So let me do some quick math for y'all real quick. Sorry, I've been doing some math earlier too. See, I'm always on the clock, my guy. But what we had, like 8.10 minus 6.7. That's 1.4 divided by 6.7. So yeah, that's 20%. So they're gonna miss by what, 20%? Well, it wouldn't be 20%. It would be 6.7 divided by 8.1. They would miss by 18%. But you guys pick up what I'm putting down. Yeah, so they're gonna come close or short. They're gonna come short on their next quarter earnings, which is really bad. It's just showing you guys the I don't know, the whole economy is going shit basically. Don't exactly know why that would be. Like, is it demand, or is it just, you know, cost of like parts and shit, like just materials and things? What do you guys think? You guys think it's like demand coming down, they're not going to be able to deliver, or they weren't able to deliver, or you think it's caused because of inflation? So is expected to be approximately down. Yeah, see, I did the math correctly. 19% up from 3% last year. And I guess that's actually, I forget, Nvidia is more than just a semiconductor company. They do a whole bunch of other stuff, data centers, game revenue. So I guess, but just across the board, they're gonna fall short basically. Shortfall May outlook 8.1 preliminary. Yeah, so this is definitely gonna weigh down on other semiconductor stocks too. So we got AMD. Qualcomm already did bad for their earnings. Well, no, they did good, but they Qualcomm, let me double check. They lowered their guidance. So this one's gonna definitely be on my watch list because this one's kind of weak. Plus, they do like international revenue and stuff, so the dollar definitely impacts them. Yeah. So this one, I think, I mean, I don't have it all charted up to date, but I would say the 200 moving average is definitely important. You can see once it bounces off here, and we'll kind of see how it reacts here. If it bounces here, you can probably get some more calls. What's up, Plug? He's back. Where'd you go to? Bro, I'm chilling. We're chilling. I'm losing my voice though. Are you done with your dental, with the wisdom removal extraction? I think you're doing that. That's a cool 500, my guy. Anyway, this one's gonna be interesting. Qualcomm, AMD is another one that we can have on watch tomorrow. And AMD, I think they did pretty good with their earnings, but their forecast also, I think they pulled back on that. So tomorrow, I think let's just take a look at the SPY first. Actually, let's go to the SPY. So what I've noticed here, we kind of looks like we're doing an ascending wedge. What you guys thinking here? Everybody's kind of bullish still, but we could be forming a little double top here because this level is actually pretty strong. So we could be repeating this again, basically doing it sort of like choppy until Wednesday and then finally break down. Damn, literally only took a minute. You were there for like 4 hours, my guy. What happened? I'm gonna change this color real quick too. Hey, Big Kahuna showing up. What's up, man? Hey, you're in here early today. I just started. Welcome. Any stocks you guys have down below, just put them in the chat. Any comments, feel free to put them in the chat. We'll read them out loud. And yeah, so no judge zone here, my guy. Well, I'll try not to, but you know, you guys know I'm gonna keep it real. So sometimes some stuff I say might not be the best, but I do have a video for Nvidia. I don't know if you guys want to watch it. We got the Jim Cramer clown. It's a 4-minute video though, so I don't know if you guys want to watch through all that. Maybe we can plug it up a little bit.
At the very top of the show, because they put a press release out, and
Is he
Jim, I'll
on?
go through some of the
Yeah,
highlights and let you take the rest here. The stock, let's take a look, because I think it is looking down. Nvidia
substantially
down almost.
And my chapter trust knows it's not down enough. Candidly,
it does appear. I mean, I'm looking here at the release. Data center revenue, though a record, was somewhat short of the company's expectations as it was impacted by supply chain
disruptions, not by their own.
The shortfall relative to May outlook primarily attributable to lower sell-in of gaming products, reflecting a reduction in channel partner sales likely due to macroeconomic headwinds.
No, let's look at it ourselves.
Sell-in, the company implementing pricing programs with channel partners to reflect challenging market conditions that are expected to persist in the third quarter. So
AMD did not highlight gaming.
Sorry, I'm all over the place.
Has been more gaming. That's really their essence. I'm not saying this is disastrous because the stock's multiple has shrunk. I am saying that it's a reminder that gaming was very much a COVID phenomenon, and all the gaming stocks have come down, but that Activision Blizzard, which is definitely being hurt by the same subject, is getting bought by Microsoft. Take-Two reports this week. Let's see what they say. But Nvidia, I would say this is a clearing event for Nvidia. Nvidia is now going to be viewed as an industrial company.
Right.
And that's what Nvidia is, industrial and obviously data center. But
yeah, so he's clowning right now, right? But yeah, what's up with the he didn't make a good point about gaming. I think Take-Two did the earnings as well today. I think they guided up, but for some reason they ended up going down. Let me double check though. TTWO Take-Two. Yeah, they're down 3% after hours. I think they missed on revenue. So yeah, Jim Cramer's got a little bit of a point there where some of the gaming estimates are probably not where they needed to be. Damn, Nvidia is struggling on the gaming side of things. Yeah, everybody's struggling with Crusader's, the pump and dump one. This one's actually doing good though. They just reported earnings. Crusader reported earnings. They missed. They did bad. So yeah, gaming is struggling. So we got Corsair. What else? Take-Two. They missed on. What did they miss on? Everything is just taking a dumpy. Yeah, they missed on revenue as well. What's another one? Unity. Oh, so this is actually a good insight to Unity reports tomorrow, and you can get a leading indicator from Nvidia that they're struggling with the gaming revenue. So, well, actually, this one's more on like development, but still. Gaming just in general, Unity might be a great play to get puts on tomorrow. What do you guys think? And Big Kahuna says coin's going to poop. Okay. So I agree. Hopefully. Celsius win. Disney going to make money. You think so? So I'm not really interested in Disney just because it's a boomer stock, and I think the implied move on it was not worth it. Here, we'll pull that up. Let me go here. Pricing. No. We're gonna do that's if you guys want to sign up. If you guys want to sign up, you can go there. Let me do. I think Disney was only pricing in like 4 or 5%. So, yeah, 6%. So it's not gonna be a huge move. I think they're trading at like 106 or something right now. So it's only like a few bucks. So I don't think it's 109. So it's not really worth it in my opinion. So 6% of 109. Let's just say they beat 109 times 1.065. It's like $7. All right, so let's look at the options chains for it. Is it even worth it? Take a look at options chain here. This is everything on Unusual Well, so I have the link down below. We have a sale going until the 12th of August. Use my link down below, or use the here. Let me plug that up real quick for you. You guys already probably signed up anyway, but just for those that aren't. Anyway, let's take a look at the options chain real quick. So Disney, this is Roblox. Because I was looking at Roblox. Roblox is going to be my play of the week. Hopefully it's the one that saves the portfolio because I haven't been doing great today. I didn't do very well. But let's be real. Nobody can take a win every day. You feel me? And if they say they do, then they're probably lying or they're paper trading. All right. Well, I don't know. There's actually some pretty good day traders, but still. Yeah, let me just put that link for the unusual whales if you guys want to take advantage of it. Ooh, I heard that Call of Duty lost like millions of online gamers. Oh yeah. I haven't played Call of Duty actually. I need to get back in some gaming, but then I feel like I waste my time because there's not like no physical reward. There's not a physical. But where's all the volume for today? There's a lot of volume on these 115s, 116s. Well, the 113s, 116s have a lot of volume today. So Disney might do good. I just don't think it's worth the reward. And there's actually a lot of open interest on these, the 101s and the 97s. I think Disney might do good because of the amusement parks and stuff. I guess the downside to Disney would be the subscription, the online game, not the online game, but the streaming. I don't know how they actually do pretty good, and they own a little bit of Hulu as well. So, but I feel like Disney Plus kind of got boring to me. Like other than the Buzz Lightyear movie, they haven't really pushed out much content, right? So Disney it might be a dud for me, honestly. You know, it might do a little bit, but is it really worth? Oh, we're gonna look at how much the contracts are worth. So they're worth, let's say they were to go to like 116, they're worth $1. So you would break even at like 117. So if I was to get some Disney calls, I'd probably get like the 113s. So they're 113 plus $2, that's like 115. So you're still in the money if it's expected to move to 116. And I think it has a low IV crush, so it might actually be a good play. But it's just a boomer stock, you know, so it might not move. Let's go to the implied move. Oh yeah, no, see, it has a huge IV crush. I wouldn't get these. I wouldn't play that. That's the reason I don't want to play. It's like, it's not a huge move and it's got a huge implied move crush on it, usually on average. See, I'm not interested in playing it, but you know what's crazy? Us talking about Nvidia and the gaming stuff, that all links to my play of the week, Roblox. So let's go back to Roblox. Roblox is going to be, I think, a beautiful play if it works. They're expected to move, I think, 15%, 15 or 20%. Let me double check for you guys. 14.5%. Okay, so I think it's coming down to like 42. I got my puts today. I got them around $50. So I'm up. I can actually double check for you guys. Let me see what I'm up. It's not much, honestly, but it's honest work, people. It's honest work. But I think it's gonna be. Oh, and if you guys don't mind, just hit the like button for your boy. That's all I ask. We're just doing some live DD stuff, going about any stocks you guys want to cover. Just put them in the chat. We'll take a look at them. I guess I should be more organized, and I'm up 11% on my puts for Roblox right now. Okay, let's go. That's all good. It's all good. It's not much, but it's making back some of those losses on Lemonade, because Lemonade, those lemons just weren't ready to pick. They weren't ready for the picking. You know what I mean? So yeah, Lemonade, it did me dirty, brother. What can I say? What can I say? I got some. It's just a small position though. I got a few $20 puts for this week. I saw them come in. Hey, Plug Recruiter says he got me. Appreciate the likes, man. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. So I saw Lemonade. I saw like a huge volume. It was really not the best idea, but you ever get that FOMO itch and you got to get you a little piece of that. So that's what I did. I had like a little bit of dry powder. It had dried up from Friday, so I took advantage of it. I saw these come in. I should have like seen it better, but I saw these come in 10,000 in volume, and the green and red, it was bullish, so I should have known better, but I was just feeling really degen, so that's why I ended up getting those, because I saw like 10k in premium or 10k in volume come in for these. But that's why I kept the positions more, right? Because I didn't know. So those are going to be in the water tomorrow. They're graveyard. We're going to do like a 10-second bell and put those to bed. But I'm making it back up with some Roblox puts. So Oh, and car gurus went down too. I don't know if you guys saw car gurus. By the way, follow me on Twitter if you guys haven't followed me on Twitter. It's not much, but I usually try to put some free plays in here. They don't all hit and stuff, but you know what it is. It's free content on Twitter as always. What's up with anybody have any Tigger requests? I was gonna go back to Upstart, or we could go back to Roblox. I'm all over the place like always, you know. Sorry about that. I need to get better with the organization. But I just always have so much shit to talk about, you know? So, Upstart's all the lending fintechs stocks. So let's go back to a few plays to talk about. So Square will be something to look at tomorrow. Affirm is probably my favorite, but Square will definitely be good to watch. It's looking like it's got rejected here at that $90 level. It can't hold it for some reason. If it actually breaks under here, then you know you'd have a nice room back down to $75. So let's go ahead and mark these up actually. So it's like right here. Well, more like right here, honestly. So like $80, 82. Then you got a nice window here all the way down to 74, 75. And honestly, this looks like a nice double top, doesn't it? Looks like or a triple top even. So that would be a breakdown from here to here, and so we put that down here. So yeah, kind of coming down to this level here, which kind of makes sense. See right there. So maybe, and I need to change this color back to green. I had it on magenta for a little bit, but I need to put it back on the green color so you guys can see it better, you know what I'm saying? So Square will be interesting to see. I would be watching like this level here. This, we can chart that up too, but just basically this. I'll be watching that. So it's looking like it's coming into that now. So we'll watch it tomorrow. And then Affirm is the other one. So right now we're talking all fintech stuff. This is basically based off of the Upstart. I think they cut their guidance or something, like we said. This one hasn't reported earnings. This has actually been on the tear. It did pull back a little bit, but 4%, it's not justified yet. And this one looks to be in a channel, doesn't it? It could be a channel, or it could be a it could be a channel, yeah, like some sort of channel. Or it could even be the wedge, but it looks like a channel, so it looks like it might be pulling back to these levels here, right here. So $30, I would say. I'll be looking to come down for that. But yeah, if you guys have any stocks you guys think will be interesting tomorrow, Affirm, PayPal is the other one. So all these fintechs are related. Even SoFi, I think, could be something, because they have lendings and stuff, right? They have what do they have? They have the student loans and stuff. So actually, maybe I should pull that one up, see how they're doing after hours. Yeah, 2%. Oof, insane. But they actually had really good earnings. I heard they had really good earnings for some reason. So they reported positive earnings per share. Is that right? 2 cents. No, I'm sorry, it's negative. They reported less than, they did better by 2 cents. Okay. But they beat by 5%. So that's good by about 5%, 15 million. But this one could be affected tomorrow, and it actually already broke down. I think overall in the market though, it already broke down. The 790's always been like a really strong resistance, and now it broke underneath it. Let me move this bad boy back up to the top. So something like that. So now I would be watching this level here, and then we can actually also throw this down here, something like that, and we could play it all the way down to almost $7 from where we're at now down to about $7. Then take your profits, you know, because you got some history here, and that's probably what I have problems with, is taking profits. I get greedy and I don't know how to take my profits. So that's SoFi. What were we talking about? PayPal is another one. Let's go. PayPal, I think, guided up for some reason. I don't remember. Or it wasn't as bad as people were thinking. I don't know how you guys are seeing this one, but it doesn't look terrible. I would say if it does break this level, then you have some nice room down. Let's put it right there. Then you can come down here to these levels. And what is that? That's like $94. This one usually is like a boomer stock for me though, honestly. So I don't really like to trade PayPal, even if, you know, Yeah. So those are a few stocks. Shit, what the hell? Oh, sorry, I got the Instagram, the IG. The girls be blowing me up. You guys don't think it, but I'm busy on Instagram sometimes. Yes, sir. I just, I don't like when you start giving them attention again and then they start, acting brand new again. They act different, like something just changed, but they were just begging you earlier. That's the thing. That's the thing that doesn't, I don't understand. So let me write some of this stuff down. We got Upstart. Oh, my pen dried up. Just like my DMs. No. My DMs don't stay dried up. Upstart, we got the sympathy place here. We got, first of all, Affirm, right? We're looking for that $30 level. Second, we got SoFi. I think that's the most interesting one now that they have the lending programs. And then third, I would say Square or PayPal, but definitely Affirm and SoFi are the ones to watch, I think. My man said he swallowed a whole gummy, no chew. Ooh. Is that your first time? Or what's up? You been there? You done that before? You feeling it yet, Mr. Krabs? So those are gonna be plays that I'm watching for tomorrow. SoFi and Affirm, I think, will be interesting. Dang, brother. I keep getting that. Alright, next stuff I want to talk about. So that's based off the Upstart earnings, and they guided down, I believe, right? Is that right? The next topic I want to talk about is going to be about the Nvidia stuff. So a few stocks to watch for Nvidia. They guided preliminary results down. So that's already just like, I think it's early for Nvidia. Let's take a look at Nvidia's chart. Oh, what's up, Brody? What's up? Hey, man, what's up? Welcome. You been chilling for a bit, or what's up? Usually, yeah. What's up? What are we playing tomorrow, Shamu? Let me know. We're doing some DD, brethren. I saw something happen to your face, man. What happened to the scar? Where'd you get that at? Hey, yo, pause. Yeah. Pause, brother. You swallowed it whole, no chew. Oh, shoot. Yeah, you done that before, eh? Come on now, plug. Yeah. What happened to the scar, my brother? Main watch for me is Tesla. Oh, yeah. What happened to Tesla today, actually? Maybe I should spam the Tesla chat for the YouTube algorithm. Did you start making YouTubes again, Shamu? What's up? I haven't followed up with the YouTube. Did you start making stuff? Yeah. Damn, I got body slammed in the pool playing basketball, and oof. You any good at the b-ball, brother? Ball is life, you know what I'm saying? B-ball. Or no? What are you watching for Tesla though? It looks like it's holding these supports, right? Is that right? Damn, I always get nervous when I know people on here. I rather talk to people, like in person sometimes, but fingers, yeah, I'd be like, nah, shut up. I'm gonna shut up. Damn, bro, B-ball's life or no? Hey, Jimmy's showing up. We got a couple people showing up now. Hey, everybody hit the like button so we can get the algorithm working. It's asleep right now, the algorithm. What do you want to cover, Jimmy? If you guys want. Shamu's talking about Tesla. I don't know what I'm feeling about Tesla. I'm feeling a Head and Shoulders right here. Is this a Head and Shoulders or no? Is this a Head and Shoulders here or no? I haven't posted in a bit. Got to finish a few videos. I'm just lazy. Tesla. I took long at open. Watching tomorrow. Did it like come down all day or did it go up all day? It did some sideways. Yeah, that's weird. Today's just been like a choppy day, eh? Been real choppy today. I was gonna say this kind of looks like a Head and Shoulders, but it kind of double top too. So I don't know. I was gonna say this is a Head and Shoulders, but maybe it's not. So maybe if it breaks down here, then you're looking at these levels down here, guys. What do you think? I think it's like gonna be choppy tomorrow in general. But okay, so watching open tomorrow again if it holds trend but break below 840. Love ball played my whole life. Yeah, ball's life, brother. I like football though. I like football. I can't play it, but I like to watch it, you know. Ravens flock, baby. Yeah, where's my Baltimore people at? You said this is the trend you're watching? You said 840 somewhere down here? Oh man. So where's the big trend for you then? You got a bigger trend? You must be talking about this bigger trend down here somewhere. Man, I've been taking L's lately. Yeah, I've been taking L's. Yeah, so I'll be watching this trend. That's the trend I'll be watching, honestly. Yeah, you're right, Shemu. Shemu's right. Go follow the channel. Go follow the channel. Go follow the Twitter. But what's the other ones? Jimmy, what stock you guys watching? I just covered Upstart. You got the sympathies of Firm, right? We got the sympathies of Firm tomorrow for the pullback. It's just gonna, I think it's gonna be nasty, because Upstart, they didn't do good. So Firm is like that big sympathy, like super correlated. And then SoFi is the other lending program. SoFi is student loans and shit. So yeah, this one's already looking gross. So I'll be looking at these two for sure tomorrow. And then we all take L's, homies. I'm still working on my consistency. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, we still got a couple of the regulars in here. Jimmy, is Big Kahuna in here? Did Big Kahuna leave? I know he likes to work on his cars, so. Yes, sir. Same here. Tesla's going to 1,000. Tesla's going like 1,000. Damn, that's a ban. Keep grinding like you do. You're gonna make it work harder than most takes time. Yeah, I'm just not patient, you know. And it's just like I've only been doing options for like a year and a half now, almost 2 years. But I wish I would have, like, before I would have lost a lot of money on options, I wish I would have just been smarter about it, right? But yeah, you have a good night, man. Hey, thanks for showing up for the stream, Shamu. Yes, sir. I'll see you in the next one, my brother. I'll see you in the stream on the tweet. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, time, patience, and stuff. I gotta learn that. Jimmy says we going to 1,000. You think so? It kind of looks like a head and shoulders right there. I was telling him, but really, I think tomorrow would just be a choppy day for the market, waiting on CPI data. And I guess we should look at the whole SPY market, right? We should look at it. I think I briefly talked about it. We have like a double top here. Damn, the plug say we're not going to 1K right now. Damn, we got some beef in the chat. I'm a vegetarian though. Have you heard that lyric before by Drake? Let me see. If I can pull it up. I don't eat meat, but still got beef sizzling. Yes, sir. Hey, what's up, Edwards? What's up? Welcome, my brother. Hey, if you guys don't mind, just hit the like button for me, please. That's all we ask here. We're trying to get lit in here, my brother. Y'all heard that Jimmy Cook song by Drake? Sheesh. It's an old one now. But that opening, oh my goodness. Yeah. So this is a double top, it looks like, on the SPY. And I was saying maybe we do this consolidation again, you know, leading into the data. Damn, my man said thumbs up. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Edwards. So because the split's coming up for Tesla, we should continue to rally. That's true. The only thing, like we're saying, is the CPI. I don't know what's gonna happen, and it's been consolidating right now on this wedge. You know, it's getting this wedgie. So I think we stay sideways. You know, kind of form this ascending. You know, retest this ascending support, and then maybe break out. Retest 420 for the memes, and then maybe break out. What do you guys think? Is that true or no? Jose, I'm a suave, like Greek. What? Huh? But that's the SPY. I think the tech was looking a lot stronger. Like NASDAQ, QQQ was looking a lot stronger. The market was chili peppers today. Was it hot? Was it red? You mean like was it good? Like a hot market? It was a hot market, or was it a red market? Because the peppers are red. Let me do a poll on here. And we got Brian Reyes in here too. God damn, we got. I've seen Brian Reyes in my Twitter sometimes. Is that the homie? Let me make sure. I get some likes. I get some love from people on Twitter. Yes, sir. I seen him. Appreciate you, homie. Appreciate you. Yeah, I'm gonna get a poll going. Stock market tomorrow. Stock market tomorrow. I get some love from on Twitter, so I appreciate the love everybody gives me. Yes, sir. Hey, I got a poll going. You guys go vote. I need to get the reaction here. Yo, go check out Berkshire. What's the ticker on that? What's it doing up? What's it up to right now? Berkshire. It's Holloway. Is the B common or the A common shares? Which ones you want, King? 292. Yes, sir. Hey, yo, go follow Brian Reyes. He's the Reyes 130. Especially the GME AMC basket moves. Oh, damn. A lot of price action. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Spicy. Oh, it's spicy. Okay, yeah, we got the BRKB up, pulled up. What's going on with it, my brother? Talk to me. Talk to me. I know you're a financial advisor. Let me know what's up with the Berkshire. Sorry, sometimes my brain thinks a lot faster than like my tongue, so I picked that one up from Trippy. You guys heard Trippy before. He's in here. That man smokes too much. That's the role model, though. He's an idol. He's an icon around here. Price of chef cutting vegetables. Picture a chef cutting vegetables. Yes. I would buy Tesla after the split. And I feel like I'm on Twitch just reading chats and not doing no business. I'm short 280 for next week. Oh shit, I don't blame you, brother. It's getting rejected here at the monthly open here. So this is the monthly open here. What, like 300? At 300 Chrysler? Yeah, it's getting rejected there, so I don't blame you, King. But Berkshire is a good one. It's loyal. It's loyal, I would say. It does look like it might break that trend though soon. This is on 1 hour, by the way. You short though? What is there any catalyst on this, Brian? Or you just feeling frisky? Now I got all these other Drake songs pulling up. I feel like I'm gonna call my ex back, man. Come on, I gotta change it up. You guys listen to Trippie Redd? What about Travis Scott? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. GME though. Let's talk about GME. You guys want to talk about GME? Oh, we got to cover Berkshire. I need to know what's up with Reyes. Is he he's short, but he's got to give me the DD. Is there anything going on with it, or what's up? The two categories that I have today is lending program stocks and gaming stocks and semiconductor stocks. So Nvidia's got the gaming I can't even say it because I was gonna say the game for gaming. You know, usually how you say, man, that some free game. Here's some free game. Here's I can't say it because it's a double word back to back. You know how you say, oh, somebody's got this game on lock. I can't say that because Nvidia's got the game on lock. I can't. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't make sense. But like Nvidia's got the semiconductor game on lock. I can't say the thing for gaming because then it's like double entendre. Feel me? But so yeah, lending programs, and then second is semiconductors / gaming, and we have a few gaming stocks to look at tomorrow. So the first one was Unity Software. They report earnings. Let me pull up that for you guys. Actually, I got some fire earnings for tomorrow. Oh, maybe you guys saw the thumbnail there. Let me know what you guys think of the thumbnail too. I've been cutting back on the simplicity, and actually I'm gonna open this up on by the way, join the Discord if you guys want. It's free. Yes, it's free. There's no paywall. I did a paywall last week because I was like hella tilted on just like people calling out for some free game and stuff, and you know, my time is valuable. You feel me? But I don't mind helping. It's just like I just don't like I don't like feeling being used basically. So I was just tilted last week. But the Discord's free. So you guys join if you want. There's a link down below. But here's the earnings for tomorrow. We gotta clean this up on just right now real quick, resizing and everything. These are the big boys, and I've actually already got a full breakdown on some of this stuff on another stream. But Unity reports tomorrow. This one might be a good put opportunity now that we saw what Nvidia is doing over there. You feel me? With the software. And then who else was we were talking about Take-Two Entertainment. This is another gaming one here. Is there any apes in the chat? Oh brother, we got one of the biggest apes in there. He's a tinfoil hat guy too, honestly. We got a couple people in there. Hey, Plug say he's listening to my boy on the way back home. And let me shout him up real quick. Y'all go follow the Plug. He makes beats and stuff. He's making beats. Maybe he'll drop something. We need to get a freestyle going on here sometime. But yeah, we have EVGO. You said, Jimmy, check out. Yeah, we do have some apes in there, Edwards. We got the biggest ape, Trippy. He smokes weed. He knows what he's talking about. Yeah, he's always active. He's playing Dota right now though, so he might not be around. But y'all go check him out. So anyway, what was I saying? Gaming stocks tomorrow. So I'm already in heavy on Roblox, but Take-Two reported today, and they're down after hours. And then also we just got that preliminary earnings from Nvidia. They were saying something about the gaming stuff. I'm gonna switch the things so we can talk about gaming real quick. Let me see where it's at. Stocks coming down. Where's it at? Gaming. There's something on gaming. I just gotta find it, people. One second. Nvidia, here we go. Gaming. Let me keyword. Gaming revenue was down 44% and 33% year over year. So what is that telling you guys? Tinfoil, big smoke. Hey, Edwards, yeah, join it up, brother. I don't care. You can join it up. We in there chilling. But yeah, so that's what I was saying about gaming. So it's just a heads up going into tomorrow for Unity, and then Take-Two was the other gaming, but I'm gonna be playing it with Roblox. Although we got, I already got my position, like I said, on this one. But Coinbase, another hit. So I think I missed some stuff. 60% of Apple holdings. Oh yeah, you're right. Now I see why you're short on Berkshire, because Apple's been like outperforming the market. So now you're short Berkshire. Oh, what the fuck? I see what you're saying. I'm picking up what you're putting down, my brother. Okay, yeah. Apple's been outperforming, and isn't Barry short on Apple? Is he still short on Apple? Is Barry? Not Barry, Larry? What? Cassandra, isn't he still short? The Big Short, isn't he still short on Apple? So yeah, I feel you, Reyes. You just short it like straight up, or you got puts on it though? I'm just trying to read back up some of the stuff that I missed. I'd buy Tesla after the split. Yes. Is Jimmy still in here? Did Jimmy dip? This is gonna be such a bad video for people to watch back because I'm all over the place. But it's a live stream. People need to be here live, Like, sorry, like we in here just chatting it up. So yeah, whatever you guys want to talk about. I have a full list, and oh, Jimmy's still in here. He was talking about EVGO. Yeah. I got you, brother. I got you. Let me go ahead and highlight that for you. I actually don't know. I didn't look into this one. This is one I didn't look into. I can show you. I can give you a little snip tool, little quickie of Wait, pause. Hold up. Not like that. This is some of the stuff I was looking at. So this is just some free game here on the side. Lucid puts, Tesla puts, then calls. GME puts, then calls. That didn't work out, but I was bullish on GameStop because they had that cup and handle. Check out the Twitter. I post some free stuff on there. Netflix puts. Did that work out? Let me see. I gotta double check my work sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Netflix. No, it didn't work out. But we had some levels. We had some resistance. Obviously, you got to watch your own trades, my guy. I can't babysit. But yeah, here's the stuff. I got railed on that. Clover puts did good. We were talking about Upstart puts, and we ended up doing the calls. I had one of the homies in here yesterday, but we saw hella bearish flow on Upstart yesterday, which I should have just stuck with the plan. Upstart. Let me show you guys Upstart. There's like hella premium on the bear side. And we talked about it on that live stream. I just chose to ignore it for some reason. But yeah, we'll take a look at EVgo. And Tesla's in here too. Upstart. I think it came in on Friday is when we were seeing that bearish flow. I need to do 50K or something so I can see yesterday's. Was it yesterday? 8. It was yesterday. It was Friday. Yeah, it was when we saw these hella bearish activity here. 400K. These were like puts, spreads, buying the 26, selling the 20s. So tomorrow, we could see some more downside on Upstart. But yeah, we were seeing hella bearish activity. Yeah, see, what else here? Some floor trades, buying the puts. I think these are spreads again. Yeah, spreads. Yeah, I said quick. Yeah, I'm sorry, my man. You guys my words be like, crossing and shit. So EVgo, I haven't really looked at EVgo, but Blink reported today they dumped Jimmy. So let me look at Blink. How's Blink doing? Actually, let's look at EVgo. This was a SPAC, right? I actually really like EVgo as a stock. Damn, we were trading this thing back in the day. Let me remove some of that. It looks good, right? It's got these levels here. I think Jimmy's in here still, right? Ray is in here? I think Ray is dipped. He had to go. This looks like what does this look like? What does it look like? I don't know. I'm asking y'all because I don't know. Throw some lines in there somewhere, make it look professional, Didn't take two, just acquire Zynga. Damn. Yeah, I'm bearish on gaming companies right now. Everything gaming, I'm gonna be bearish on it. But you know what's weird? Somebody told me gaming's the cheapest entertainment. So when inflation and stuff hits, people aren't gonna be going out, so they'll buy games to make up for it. It's cheap entertainment. And actually, this looks more like a, I would say it looks more like a nice little channel that it's going up into. What's the expected move for this EVgo? Jimmy usually's got the game. He's got the insights on stuff. So how are you feeling for EVgo? 16%, 16.6% on 9. Your retweet or your right? I think I'm retweet. My retweet. Oh yeah, we got the tinfoil. 16.6%. Logically, yes. So yeah, that's what people are saying. People won't go out as much. So 11.3 is the upside. So that's like up here. I feel Reyes though. I feel what he's saying about being short on Berkshire, because Apple's been leading, but it's just such a strong company. Berkshire also has been buying like hella oil, right? Or is that a separate fund? They've been buying hella oil, which I'm still kind of bullish on. And I think it actually, I'm just kind of diverge real quick, but yeah, this thing's been recovering. Yeah, I missed it on Friday, but today it did pretty good for what it's worth. Still not out of the gutters just yet. Still in the trenches here, but if it can get back up above here, watch out. The monkeypox is coming. Yeah, dude. Hey, y'all watch out for that for sure. It's for real. We actually did some DD. Me and Trippy did some DD back in the day. We got it on the YouTube if you guys want it. Let me move this out of the way so I can keep up with the conversation here. But yeah, there's tons of actually like a lot of companies that you can play. We actually made a watch list on the last time. I'll go through them right now actually if you want me to. So we got Sega, we got GVAX. Then we also have this one, but this is European. We can't trade it, and I don't think there's options. This is like options game right now. So EJH, DVN, no, Devon's Energy. TNXP is definitely one. VRAX, GOVX, Sega, and I think that's it. The other one that I was thinking about is Moderna. This one had a great earnings, and I think they'll try to get into the MP space. So we'll see how that plays out. But yeah, $13 for EVgo. Oh fuck, I forgot to finish up on EVgo. EVgo is 11. You think so? You think they'll beat? they've had misses. Like their last 2 earnings have been misses. But the thing I like about EVgo is they have like partnerships with Chevron, and they basically got some ties in with the, you know, the politics basically. So that's the, like, they have good upside. The other one I really like, this is probably my favorite EV charging company, is Tritium, and they've started building like a plant in like Nashville, I think, and they were like on the press with Biden and stuff. They were like, the CEO was talking to them and stuff. So this one has like the networking, I think, with the Biden administration. So this is the play for like a long-term portfolio though, right? Like right now I don't want to be buying long-term stocks right now. I'm just trying to day trade and make some bread so I can eat. But EVgo to $13. Let's see if you get it right. It's pre-earning or pre-market tomorrow. The implied move is only up to 11.30 though, so that's a long. If it was to go to 13, that's a $4. That's like a 40% move. So let's do 13 minus 970. That's 3 divided by 970. It's a 35% move for tomorrow. You think that they can do a 35% move tomorrow? It does look strong though, because it crossed the 200 moving average, but it does look like it's in a channel as well, so it could start pulling back, especially with the market showing some weakness today. It could start pulling back, but I mean, all of this is basically gonna not matter because it's gonna report in the morning, so it could just already be down here or it could be up here. To the downside, what was it? 16.6%. It's gonna be. Edwards was talking about some tinfoil though, so what's up with the tinfoil? Give me some of the tinfoil, my brother. It'd be like $8.34, $8. It'd be down to $8. So yeah, somewhere down here. 40% ain't crazy. Yeah, you're right. It's not crazy. It's not crazy. It's just implied though. This one's just like it's implied. You're right though, because who had a crazy day the other night? Carvana had a crazy day. It was like up like 40% or something. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Let me take that back. Yeah, this thing had a crazy. This was like, what was it? Yeah, it was like, you're right. Hey, let me take that back. This thing had a 40% run. I actually talked about Carvana before earnings. I was bullish on Carvana. I covered it on Twitter. That's why I say you guys go follow me on Twitter and just give me some love, people. Hey, look, there's Ryan or Brian, or go follow me if you want it. Yeah, I talked about Carvana though. This was good. I think it's maybe time to get some puts on it. What do you guys think? It's post earnings. Market's looking weak. Earnings weren't good. It shouldn't have went up, but the flow was bullish, so that's why I was kind of bullish on it. So maybe it's time to start looking at puts. I would be looking at some levels here after it breaks 40. I guess really, even 45. If it breaks 45, you could run it down to 40. I think it'd be an easy double up, quick double up. Sega is the pandemic stock out there. It is though. It is. You're right. Sega's probably the man. I wish I would have gotten this thing like down here. I'm not saying we've been covering it. I just been saying I'm an idiot for not buying it back then. Yeah, because I remember 2020, it was the same way. It was like there was Kodaks, there was INO, there was Moderna, there was so many just trying to make it into, you know, it was just like, obviously some of them were pump and dumps, but yeah, this thing, check out Redfin. Oh, dude, Redfin had a crazy day too, I think. Redfin. And I'm getting off topic right now, but Redfin. Damn, my boy Ryan's really dipped. Not Ryan's, but Reyes. Ryan's is a freaking buffet, brother. Come on, get that shit straight. Damn. So, yeah, did this beat earnings? No, they missed. Is it a short squeeze or what's happening here? What's going on here, Edwards? Talk to me, brother. And yeah, join that Discord. I think you'd be a valuable asset, my brother. Also, anybody else is free to join too. We're trying to grow the community with the memes. But free game too, you know. And good game too. But I've been taking L's, so you guys gotta be careful when I call out a play. Yeah, be careful when I call out a play. I'd be calling out, my plays are like 50-50, honestly. Like this Roblox is gonna print. But I said that about Lemonade, and look at me right now. I'm broke. So come on, y'all be careful with my plays. But they're hit or misses. I think this is too good, brother. This is too good. This thing did 100% move, right? Yeah, 100 and something percent move since the rally. And then earnings were bad. So let me just double check. So first of all, the gaming sector is weak right now, right? We just talked about that with Nvidia. Talked about it with Take-Two. We talked about it. I think that's it. We talked about a couple other ones, but earnings have been ass. They've never beat earnings. You feel me? Which it could be like that first banger, and it just starts squeezing people out. But with some of that other forecast that we're talking about with Nvidia and stuff, I think I'd be bearish. It'd be dumb to be bullish, you know, I think. But then that's how the market gets you. I don't know. But I'm gonna stick bearish. I got my puts, they're up 10%. We're chilling. And who knows, maybe I take half of the profit, you know, before close. It's just kind of weak though, you know, it's ran up non-stop. I don't know. This is on the daily, by the way. This is like 2 weeks. It's been just gassing straight up. Either shorts are covering, or it's like algorithm just pumping it up, and then they're gonna dump all these shares onto you guys. Or it could be real. They're just anticipating the run. But it's still under the 200 moving average, so that's why, you know, if it keeps getting rejected here, I'm gonna stay bearish. Check out Redfin. Oh yeah, let me go back to Redfin. My bad, man. I'm sorry. Put possibly at open to Redfin, but I think it's gonna rip. What happened with this though? What happened with Redfin? Did it squeeze or what's up? Redfin stock. In stock. News. Let's see. Why shares of Redfin are falling, rising today? Investors seem to be a bit more favorable on the macro outlook. Trading 16%. No obvious reason. I think it's just been beat down. That's what's going on? They're still losing money. Net loss of 73 cents per quarter, or per share per quarter. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this. Third expects to come in between that. Still gonna be generating losses. I don't know. It's hard to be bullish on Redfin, I think. So yeah, you're gonna get the puts on this. I would honestly wait. I would wait a little bit, because I'm sure the IV's pumped up right now. It's like hella thrusting. So it's just like those. Yeah, I would just wait, I think. You know, it could just like go up here and chill for a bit, and then you get your puts, and then it starts climbing back down. Oh, the charts just look like a bull signal. Let's go to the like all the charts. I think it's gonna want to retest these levels down here, which is like what, 1150. I think it wants to retest this. It wants to retest this whole region, I think. It has to want to retest it before it keeps going. I don't think it just breaks out again. There's like no bullish sentiment on it. The earnings were bad. I think it's just a relief one or something. I don't know. The other one's Open Door, but that one's probably gonna go bankrupt too. They got like into some trouble with like false advertisements. They're actually like saying that you would make more money by selling the house to Open Door versus some competitors, and it turns out that they were lying. So it's just bad media. Yeah, and they missed earnings too, and they did yeah, they yeah, they ain't do good. And they gotta pay a lot of like lawsuit fines and stuff, I think. So yeah, what was I saying though? I've just been adding a whole bunch of stocks. Disney, you guys want to talk about Disney? Let's go back to the EVgo. Jimmy says we beat, so I'm gonna write down calls on this for some reason. Let me say we beat. Calls. We'll see how it plays out tomorrow. I'm gonna go with the puts on Unity. I think that's a hit. And I'm gonna go with the puts on Roblox and Coinbase. So I haven't talked about Coinbase, but I think, yeah, we've already talked about that. Coinbase can surprise though. Let's be real. They have Ethereum 2 coming up soon. What is this? It's still holding trend? Yeah, it's still holding the trend. Kind of still holding the trend. Hasn't filled the gap below. It filled the one above. It's holding under 100 though. I feel like you gotta get the puts on this, but it's just been beat down so much. What are you thinking, guys? Overall, the market conditions though, what do you think? Let me see. People saying 60% green tomorrow. 40% red. So did the SPY close green or red tomorrow? Let me see. Closed red. We got the double top there that we're talking about. Yeah. And it got rejected at 200 moving average. Yeah, it got rejected at 200 moving average. It hasn't broken out, which is a big sign, right? Once we get above it, you know, it has more strength into it. Once it gets back underneath it, it's, you know, basically bearish. We've been bearish the whole time, really. Now we're retesting the 200 moving average. Yeah. Buying Coinbase puts tomorrow if it goes over 100. Oh, Jimmy. So let's go ahead. Yeah, we got the puts on Coinbase. I'm going to actually get maybe a couple of these also for Coinbase. Let's look at the Coinbase flow for today. Let's look. So 25K. Let's do 25K. So today up 5%. There's no strength in the call volume or the call premium or the bullish premium. All down the middle. So that's good for the put side, I would say. And there's like people buying $90 put spreads again. Let's see. Yeah, they're buying the 90s and selling the 89s and the 91s. Ooh, okay. Okay, let's filter out the calls and see if there's any big orders on the there's a couple here. Let's see what this is. 88 selling the 88s. This is actually a bullish spread. It looks like they're selling 88 puts and buying $70 puts. So that's a bullish spread. So they would be expecting it to close above 88. And then this one's selling $100 puts. There's one that's good here, and it's a $90 put. This is a good one. So 100K and 80K, 90 puts and $75 strike puts. Most of it's bearish though. Like even though we have like big orders like this that are somewhat bullish, most of the other puts are bearish. So now let's take a look at the calls. So most of the puts are bearish. And then most of the calls are kind of bullish. I do see a little bit more red on here. Let's take a look at just a couple of these spreads just to get an idea of what they're playing with. They're just straight up buying calls there. Let's look at some bigger orders. See if we can find some big orders. There's no big orders, honestly. There's one here. This is a straight up 110 call that they're just buying for 130K. And buy to open 104s for this week. This was actually early in the day though. So early in the day, I think we were bullish. Towards the end of the day, there's not really much. They're selling some. And then they're still buying the 110s, 100s. 99 seem to be interesting too. Let me look at the volume on these today. So 800 versus 100 open interest. Go ahead and heart that bad boy. I want to go back to these puts though. Let me go back to these puts because I didn't heart anything. I kind of want to get a better idea. Towards the end of the day, they got 90 puts. A lot of 90 puts towards the end of the day. Yeah, I think these might be the safe ones, the 90s, because the implied move on Coinbase is, what is it, like 20%? 20%, let me make sure, 20%, almost 21% from 98. I think it's down to like 70 or something. That's going to be a big move. So 1 minus 20. That's right? Yeah, times 98. 77. So yeah, those 90 puts, I think those would be worth it. How much are they? Let me go to the chain real quick. Coin. We're gonna look at the 90 puts for this week. They're $5. So you can still make money. Under 85, you'll be like doubling up pretty much every $5. You could double up once. It'd be like a 200%er, 300%er. Let me look at some of the bigger volume for today to the upside. There's this one. These 75s have a lot of volume today too. Let's just look at the overall overview of Coinbase. So it had a great day, but the overall volume wasn't, or the call volume wasn't that great. Most of the call, so this is the call gamma, the call buyers coming in, it really stayed sideways, even though price was going up. For the most part, COPE stayed the same as well. So COPE and gamma stayed the same. Damn. There's a lot of, the most actives were these 75s for September. And just go ahead and open these up actually. So Coinbase puts, it looks like, I think. The IV crush though is big. Let me double check what the IV crush is on Coinbase. Coinbase global earnings implied move. Oh, it's only 14%. Okay, on average. Is that right? So Coinbase last earnings implied move dropped to 148 from 154. So like a 4% IV crush. On average is a 14%. So that's actually not bad for the contracts. Yes, sir. Is that right? Am I right? Yeah, so we'd be looking at 77 to the downside. Let's go to the 77. Yeah, so down here, basically filling the gap somewhere around here. I'm excited for some puts, and it's not going to be a lot, but you know, one of these or two of these can get you a nice little bag, you know. I think I'm going to stick with the puts on that. I'm more excited with Roblox, like I said, though. A few other ones that are reporting tomorrow are these here, but I don't know if you guys care about them. Plug in the trading desk. I don't know. Celsius. Oh, somebody said Celsius earlier, right? Let me scroll up to the chat. BRK. We talked about that one. Somebody was talking about Win. Wasn't somebody talking about Win? When's the gaming stuff or the betting odds, like the sports betting? EVGO, we talked about EVGO, Redfin. I don't see anybody talking about. Did somebody, maybe it was somewhere else. And Tesla's on watch too. Sir, yes, sir. How do I minimize this? Okay, there we go. Okay. I think those are the big plays. I think so. Let me write some of these plays down for you guys. We got Upstart, right? Upstart, Simps. We got Affirm, SoFi. I mean, you could do Square and PayPal, but I'm not going to. And then for Nvidia, you have semis. So we didn't even really cover semiconductors. We mainly covered gaming, semi and gaming. So gaming for sure, I'm gonna play Roblox. Unity, I think I might need to give me a little piece of that. And what else? Let's talk about Coinbase. Coinbase is the next big one on there. So we can see this. And do I need to justify this to the right? I like the middle better. So we got Upstart, Simps, Affirm, SoFi, maybe QSQ, PayPal, Nvidia, Semi Gaming, Roblox, and then also The hell? What was this? Oh no. Okay, maybe I messed it up. Damn it. I messed it up, fellas. Okay, we gotta do it again. That just makes me really tired. Okay, room. So, sell call going to 150 next few days. Oh yeah, we gotta talk about Celsius. That's the drinking one, I think. Let me just really quick rewrite this stuff. Simps. I don't know why it does this. I didn't mean to justify it like that. Center. Drop shadow. Okay. Simps. What was it? Affirm. So far I'm zoning out because PayPal, and then we got Nvidia, semi and gaming, and we got Roblox, Unity, and then we have Qualcomm, and AMD is really probably the main one to play. There's a few other semiconductors, but I mean, don't really care about them, honestly. What, like Texas Intel or whatever. I think that's it. That's the only one I would play. Coinbase is gonna be nice, and you could also actually play crypto, right? So crypto, not crypto, but you could play Mara and Riot and Hut. I think Hut actually reports earnings too. And I think that was it. Oh, Unity, no, we got that. I think that's it. That's good. We're gonna leave that somewhere down here. I don't want to put it. I was going to show you guys Hut reports, Hut 8. That's the crypto one. That reports on Thursday, if you guys want. So just depending on how Coinbase does, that could, you know, help you lead into it. But Vroom, yeah, let's talk about, oh, CarGurus reported today too, actually. CarGurus, Vroom, how did they do? How did Vroom do? Is it up or down after hours? Let me check. I'm just really happy with my Roblox puts, and I think Francine, I don't know if she's in here, but she also got some puts today too, so yeah. I'm just willing to lose a little bit. Well, I don't want to lose it, but it's insane that run that Roblox has had. Sheesh, this thing is down 17% after hours. Vroom is down to $2, like straight up $2. It lost half a bill. Yeah, CarGurus did the same thing actually. I knew CarGurus was gonna take a dump. I just had a feeling, and there was a lot of bearish flow on CarGurus. It was straight up bearish flow. Like I can show you guys really quick. That was like the. Oh, actually, I retweeted it. Yeah, here we go. Rip Carg. This is like the flow that I saw. Obviously, you had this ascending wedge, so you have the resistance to the top here, and like it's history too. There, you see that history. So it's historically hard to get through there. Then you saw it doesn't. This was a stock that doesn't get much flow. So when I saw these flow come in, it might not look like a lot of premium, but for something that doesn't get that much flow, it's actually, you know, something unusual. And then you saw the COPE coming down. So that's the bullish premium coming down. This was the big thing for me right here. So I got the bullish premium highlighted, the bearish premium, and the open interest. So first thing to note, total open interest was at the highest, near the highest. Also, the bearish premium straight to the top, like up here, like, and then there's like no bullish. Like this was one of the straightforward plays, like for real. And this is like obviously the most active chains. Here you go, the $22 puts for next week, the $20 puts for next week. This was one of the easiest plays. I talked about it in the Discord a little bit, but you gotta have dry powder to play everything. I didn't, so I didn't play it. And yeah, Vroom took a dump too, but let me go back to what are we talking about? Yeah, Vroom. This one's down here now, King. Damn. So down to $22, $21. Nobody's eating tonight. They're eating lobster. Let me go to Celsius. How has this one been doing since Friday? Still doing the thing? Still doing that thing. You said 115 next week, right? You got the calls for Celsius? Let me look at the chain real quick. I haven't looked at any flow for Celsius actually. I'll be curious to see what's going on with it. So there's not really any gamma score. It's going up, but it's like super low. Like I want some gamma score like this where it's like popping, you know? But let me look. Let me look. This is my favorite tab on the unusual whales. I like to just look at total open interest, see where it's at. So big open interest. So hopefully that's telling us a big move is coming up. A lot of bearish premium going down. Bullish more. There's more bullish premium than bearish premium. It's nothing like crazy, but it is leading. So when it's leading, it looks like the price goes up for the most part. Yeah. So there's not like a big spike in bullish premium, but so it's really much 50-50. But overall, let's go down to this. Not much premium. It's really 50-50. There's 29K in calls, 25K in puts. So this one's going to be hard to play. The thing that I would say is the gamma, like this is callers, like calls volume, call buyers stepping in. And I don't see that yet, you know, like you have these spikes and then the price goes up. Let me hide the coat because that's like in the way. So this purple line, this is the gamma, and you get the spikes and then you get some price action, right? Right now we're like near the lows. So I'm not saying we're not going to go up. But it's just hard to tell. So this one is something you would actually have to like, I will say though, the cope is crawling back up, but I like to follow the gamma. There is more bullish activity. It looks like 60% of today's flow was bullish, 63% of the call premium. So the total money going into the options chain is calls, and 60% of the whole premium is bullish. So that's good. Get the next IPO play, GCT, 7,000%. What is that? Is that open or what's up? Let me pull it up real quick. GTC, Giga Cloud Tech, upcoming IPO. Oh, damn. I really don't like to play IPOs because I don't know what I'm buying. I mean, I know I should do some research and stuff, but they've never really been my plays, to be honest. Let's be real. I'm going to be real with you. I will actually like just watch it debut, an IPO or whatever, and then peep it. 5,000. I'm looking for some flow on Celsius just to see what we can see. There's $85 puts. There's $85 puts that they're selling, but this could still be bearish even though it looks bullish. And then towards the end of the day, there were more calls for 110, 105s. Let's look at the overall view. Let's look at what's popping. Ooh, look at this. 150 for September. There's tons of volume that came in today versus the open interest. So this is probably a newer chain. Then you got the $85 put with the 1,000 open interest. These are the ones with the most open interest, the 125s and the 105s for next week. They have the most open interest. And then everything else is kind of short term. There's a one for 90 or 85, I'm sorry. And then you got, it looks like more open interest on the call side. So you got the 115s. And someone's even been holding these $55 calls since who knows when. Looks like they're still holding like 1,000 contracts. Most of the biggest option trades are calls. So even though these look bearish, it might be a bullish. You're right, Jimmy. This might be a good play. Oh, these got bought today? Yeah, you're right. You might be right. You might be onto something, my brother. I'm gonna watch this one. What's the implied move on this really quick? Celsius, you better not take an L on this, brother. 15.5. So $15. So for 115, yeah, I see you. I see you. It could even be more than that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You think it's gonna explode to the upside or to the downside? Yes, yes, yes. Honestly, I wish you guys good luck with Celsius. I'm not gonna play it because I got my hands busy with Roblox, Unity, Coinbase. I don't want to take too many L's. You feel me? I know it might not be an L on Celsius, but I'm stretched out right now. You feel me? The wallet's stretched out. The bank account's stretched right now. I gotta get paid again before. Upside, upside. Yeah. I mean, I believe you. I believe you. Don't get me wrong. I believe you. I just ain't got no powder, my brother. I need some dry powder. Yes, sir. Big 14. I think that's gonna be it, fellas. Let me do a quick rundown. We got, Beyond Meat. Let me, before I even dip, talk about Beyond Meat. This is something I've been watching for a while too now, since Friday. I say for a while, but it got rejected up here. So I'm looking for a rejecting here under, 38, 40. Let me see what we got here. But they had a pretty bad earnings. And I think there was Beyond Meat news, like competitor news or something coming out today. It looks like a cup and handle, but it failed to like actually hold that. So if it goes underneath, or was trying to go underneath, then I'm gonna ride this thing down back to 35, my brother. You best believe. You best believe. I'm gonna be riding. I'm gonna surf that. Yes, sir. But I like this one. I like it. It's just waiting to break. Yeah. What do you guys think about this one? Yeah, this level here, like 36. Yeah, Beyond Meat's a bearish play. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I agree. I mean, there's so many ways you can chart this, but yeah, this looks like an expanding triangle too, doesn't it? Expanding wedge, kind of. Sure. Coming back down to 36 probably. What'd I do? Damn. Well, you guys get what I'm getting at. Beyond Meat, bearish play. I agree with you. There it is. Yeah, I think this looks like an expanding. Although this is like a super weak candle, wick or whatever, so it could maybe go up. Going to 25 next month. Yeah, maybe. Where's 25 at down here? Yeah, their earnings were so bad, my brother. Only like 145, 147. Market cap, 2 billion. Like, what you doing? Yeah, overvalued. Overvalued. But listen, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up. You guys have any other questions? Any tickers you guys need me to cover? I think I did a pretty bad job today, but I had a good time, so that's what matters. Yeah, we broke down some plays. We chatted up with a couple homies. So that's what matters. Sorry for the people watching this back and being lost because I was all over the place, but hopefully the next one's better for you guys. I think that's everybody's. Wait, yeah, I think that's going. Yeah, going to 25. Yeah, I think that's what all the input people have today. So, watch the semis. I wrote that shit down for y'all. Let me see. I got y'all. Upstart Simps, Affirm SoFi gonna be on the top of my watch list. Roblox Unity for sure, and then Coinbase gonna get some exposure there. But that's gonna be a tricky one because Outlook I think can be good because of Ethereum 2.0. So that could be like a surprise, and it's already been beat down like insane. So good night, my guy. Hey, appreciate you guys showing up. If you guys have any questions, hit me up on Twitter or you can join the Discord down below. Other than that, you guys stay safe and be good. And I'll see you guys in the next live stream. And I'll try to live stream sometime later this week. So if you're not subscribed, hit the notification bells and all that. You feel me? Well, that's it. That's it, fellas. Y'all take care. See ya. Peace.